Hotep, brothers and sisters, my name is John Walter McLean IV and welcome to Oran's Pan-African Black Fax and Wax Museum. I am one of the docents here at Oran's Pan-African Black Fax and Wax Museum. This is your 33-floor, virtual, 3D, interactive, integrated technology wax museum. Here on floor 15, we will be looking at the life and times of the real first black African American women millionaires. Annie Minerva Turnbo Malone, born August 9, 1877, departed May 10, 1957, was an American businesswoman, inventor and philanthropist. She is considered to be one of the first African American women to become a millionaire. In the first 3 decades of the 20th century, she founded and developed a large and prominent commercial and educational enterprise centered on cosmetics for African American women. She taught Madam C.J. Walker how to do hair and how to make hair care products before Madam C.J. Walker, all our respects due, was able to do hair professionally at all, before she gave Annie Minerva Turnbo Malone a call. Early life.